Number 5, assume that the below circle is a unit circle. The cosine of angle A is negative 0.25. Find the value of sine of A. So we should know, because this is a unit circle, all right, we know, we've learned in our notes that x goes with cosine and y goes with sine. That's this right here. So when they tell us that cosine of the angle is negative 0.25, cosine being negative 0.25, what that means is that x equals negative 0.25. All right? And we know that sine goes with y. So when they say find the value of sine, what they're really asking us to do is to find the value of y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Pythagorean identity here, x squared plus y squared equals 1, in order to find that value. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to use my x squared plus y squared equals 1, that Pythagorean identity, and I'm going to plug in negative 0.25 for x. All right. And we're going to solve for y. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. So if we need to calculate negative 0.25 squared, so negative 0.25 squared, negative 0.25 squared is 0.0625. So this is 0.0625. Plus y squared equals 1. Okay. I now want to solve for y squared, so I'm going to subtract 0.0625 from both sides. So I end up with y squared equals 1 minus 0.0625. 1 minus 0.0625 is 0.9375. Okay. And then our final step would be to simply square root both sides. Okay. The only question in this case is, are we going to take the positive answer or are we going to take the negative answer? Well, the key in this case is that the angle is right here. This is quadrant 2. The angle is right here. So the question is, are y values in this area of the circle, in that area of the circle, are y values positive or negative? Well, y values in this area of the circle are above the origin. So therefore, y values are going to be positive, which means our answer has to be positive. We're going to take the positive answer. So I'm going to take the square root of 0.9375. And again, we're going to take the positive answer. All right. Going to take the positive answer. And we end up with an answer of y equals approximately, I'm going to round that to 0.97. So y equals 0.97, positive 0.97. So to answer the question, find the value of sine. That means sine of A is equal to 0.97. And that is your answer for number 5.